How to fix a 1095 error on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are getting an error related to Form 1095 such as Form 1095A, 1095B or 1095C while filing your taxes, then it can be due to missing, incorrect or mismatched information. The first thing you want to do is identify the type of 1095 form. If you're using 1095A, it is for marketplace health insurance. Most errors happen with this form because it impacts the premium tax credit. The second error is due to missing or incorrect data. To check, you want to click on the deductions and credits section. Now click on the medical section. Select Affordable Care Act. Now double check the fields such as marketplace assigned policy number, coverage dates, premium and advanced payment. Correct any mistakes over there and click on the continue option. If e-file keeps on rejecting this form, then you want to contact the TurboTax support for further assistance. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.